Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you might know already, in today's video we're gonna unbox the Look Fantastic and Glossy box from March 2023. Oh my god, I am so excited. I'm literally so excited because I have no idea what's actually in the Glossy box. I've been checking online the Look Fantastic one, but literally no clue what's in the Glossy box. I don't know if it shows on the website, but I didn't check at all. So I'm so excited. So I'm thinking to start this time with a Glossy box. What do you think? Let's get into it. So I have both in here, and let's open the Glossy box. It comes in the same box, a pink box, which I obviously love. I told you my opinion about that boxes, that I enjoy them. And inside I have Frozen, the West End musical, theater royal, blah blah blah. So we have an offer to buy me plus 3 tickets, so 4 tickets were £200 at this Frozen thing. If you need this one, I don't have kids, so if you need this one, please let me know and I'll share with you the codes, the QR codes, where you can buy this with a discount, because I don't really need it. Let's get into the pack. So I have the pack in here, also packed as always, nice and smooth, and let's see what's inside. I just love so much to open this, to unbox this Glossy boxes. Alright, and I have all the products over here. Okay, let's start with the random one, and this will be this Prey Ageless Throat and Décolleté Cream. I'm pretty sure it's focusing now. I hope it's focusing. I had this before and I can say I love it. It smells amazing. It has a very light texture and it's amazing for décolleté area. I'm not quite sure how many of you take care of the décolleté and the neck area. I've done the same, didn't take care of it, and then I can see a few wrinkles on. So then since then I apply regularly every night décolleté cream. I usually use this one because I tried it before and it's very nice, and I used as well the Renew one. Now I'm using this one, the Renew one, and I think it's amazing. Like, the texture is very nice. Alright, let's get to the second one. Wow! So we have a Wow Color 1 Minute Transformation Styling Cream. I'm so excited to try this one. I tried so many of their products and I think some of them are amazing. I was even thinking to actually do a review of all the products I tried from Color Wow. I think they're amazing, so please let me know in the comments below if you want to find out more. I just feel they improved a lot besides other brands. Like, they do a lot of stuff different, especially the Dream Coat Serum. If you ever tried it on, it's just absolutely madness, and I'm so excited to try this on as well. This is developed for colored hair, all in one, blah blah blah. So it helps you when you do your blow dry, and you need to apply a small amount to get it smooth and not fizzy. This sounds very good to try on. Alright, let's get to the third one. Third one is a Niacinamide serum from Jorgobe or something like this. I hope I'm spelling it right. I used niacin before, and I use most of the time because my complexion has some spots, especially at some periods in month. So I love niacin. I think it works as well for acne skin, and it helps improving the skin texture. I also use the Renewed one, which are amazing, and I can't wait to use this one as well because I'm pretty sure it's a good one. I usually didn't complain about niacin. The only niacin I didn't like was actually the one from what's the name now? Oh my god, I can't remember it. From The Ordinary. Yeah, that was something I didn't like. I think it's very watery, which I don't really prefer, even though I have a combination skin. And the next one is a liquid lip liner with precision tip from Tint. I've never heard about this brand, but it looks pretty interesting, and let's try it on. Lip liner, liquid lip liner. I usually use a lot of lip liners, but never liquid one. This is how it looks. The packaging is quite nice, and let's see what color it is. It looks like a eyeliner, to be honest. If you want to see it closer, and let's see the color. Ooh, it's actually a very brown color. If you can see in here, I'm not quite sure how visible it is, but it's a very, very brown color. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna use this one because I don't really use these colors, but I'll try it on. It's quite interesting. I've never had a liquid one. I'm not quite sure how easy it's gonna be to apply, but it's a very interesting one. Firstly, I thought it's eyeliner. It looks literally like an eyeliner. And last but not least, we have this perfume stick from Urasmic, and this is the packaging. Let's see what's inside. So they have like a notes, I think, cardamom, rose, and woods. I like rose, I like woods. I'm not quite sure about cardamom. So this is how it looks. It's a stick, which is pretty easy to take it into your bag. And let me see how it smells. It's a very strong smell of rose, and I can't see any wood in this smell, maybe the cardamom, but it's a very, very feminine smell. Elegant and not like the bold one, very, you know, smooth and sensitive, so it's not very strong. All right, cool. So we're all done with this glossy box. Let me put everything inside and start the Look Fantastic one, which I'm very excited as well. And this is the box. Forgot to show you the box. Is the same as always. This amazing recyclable box, which I don't like, really don't like. All right, but it looks a little bit better than last time, if you remember. And this is what we have inside. And let's get started. Let me try one. I can see a powder here or something, a palette. All right, so we have a Wet and Wild Rose in the Air palette, eyeshadow palette. This is the palette, and let me open it. If I can open it, I can't open it. I just need to cut it somehow. I'll show it to you like this. They have quite nudish colors. There are some glitter ones, sedif ones, and then some pinkish colors, which it looks very nice. And we have in here two colors of transitions. Is this one and this one. So on the back it shows you exactly how to put it on, which I think is a very helpful. It's a very helpful advice for people who don't know how to apply these eyeshadows in general, not just these ones. They look pretty cute. Obviously I like the fact that there are a lot of nude shades, and yeah, it's a nice one. Let's go to the next one. The next one is, oh my god, I love this brand. It's from Neom, and it has a perfect night sleep overnight facial cream, and this is a travel size. This is how it looks like. I love these ones. I used actually a lot of their products when it comes to candles. I just love the smell. It smells so organic. And let's see how is this one. It's Scent and Sleep. I just love their smell. Okay. It smells so organic. So if you prefer organic stuff, this one is your one. It smells so fresh. Yeah, so it's a Sleep Overnight Facial Cream. I'll try this one for sure. Let's go to the next one. Cetaphil. This is a moisturizing lotion for normal to dry sensitive skin, which I obviously can't use because my skin is a combination skin. And this is a travel size as well. Very cute, very nice, and especially if you have this kind of skin, it's obviously a plus to try it on. I'm pretty sure these ones are similar with the CeraVe one. This is how they look to me. I've never tried them. Alright, let me go to the next one. And we have an amazing product in here as well. Actually, Look Fantastic made it so well this month, like a lot of nice products. So we have a Moroccan treatment for all hair types. This is a travel size as well, but I had before this Moroccan oil and it lasted for a while, so I think this one is enough for you to try it for at least 10 times for sure, because it's a lot inside. It's 10 mils and it's pretty good. I used this one for a very long time. I love it. So this is I love it. All right, the next one is a Plump and Glow Hydration Facial Mist Anti-Pollution. I have this one as well. I think this I have from the last advent calendar. I think I used it for a while. It's quite nice. I can't see any huge difference with it. However, I don't even know what it needs to do, like just to hydrate the skin. My skin is quite hydrated with the products I use most of the time. I never use it itself to see a difference, but for me it's very refreshing to apply when I go to sleep. I apply all the creams and everything, and then I apply this on top, so I like it. It's useful now. And then there is something else packed in here, which is a Rose All Day powder from Physicians Formula. Okay, this is a highlighter actually, and this is how it looks. I used Physicians Formula before. I don't even know, do we have it in UK now? Because before I bought it from Turkey, and I pretty remember we did not have it in UK. It's a brand from US, where you can find it very easy there, but not here. It's a mass market one, not very expensive. Ouch, I can't believe I just cut myself into this. And this is how the powder looks like, the highlighter. And they're quite strong actually. They have strong colors, very pigmented. Ooh, this is quite cute. Let me check. Let me put it somewhere where you can see it as well. It looks actually rose gold mostly than rose. I don't know if it's seeable or not, but it's mostly rose, most goldy than rose. And it comes like this, and then inside it has this brush and basically the highlighter brush, and then a mirror in here as well, which is very easy when you travel with it. I feel like this is so important. You don't need to carry all the stuff around. Plus, when you go in a hotel and you don't have the light that you want, I think this is a lifesaver. So I would wear this especially for the mirror inside. Most of my products that I have, it doesn't come with a mirror. And the last but not least, this is a Black Opium from YSL. This is a tester. Ooh la la, I'm not quite sure what I'm trying to do. I had before Opium from YSL, but I didn't have the Black Opium. I guess it's a new one. I usually wear niche perfumes lately, so I didn't really buy the mass market products anymore. But let me check. It's very similar with the last one, with the classic Opium, but I think this one has more vanilla into it, but it doesn't smell bad. It's very commercial, and it comes like this. It's already half tester. I think it's a 2 ml tester or something. Yep. So this is everything. We sorted out both. My favorite from this one, from the Look Fantastic one, it's actually it's the Perfect Night Sleep Overnight Facial Cream. So this is my favorite from the Look Fantastic one, because I didn't try any of their creams and I can't wait to try it on. And let me find out my favorite from the GLOSSYBOX. My favorite from the GLOSSYBOX will be this one. Oops! Because I'm very excited to try those products. This kind of products are amazing. Like everything I tried from them, I was very surprised. Which one was your favorite? I'm very curious to find out if you tried any of these products, if anything was amazing to you, if you recommend anything. Please leave it in the comments below, because I will be very happy to hear about what is your opinion about it. Also, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you want to support what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because this will mean the world to me. And I'll leave you now, and I will see you next week. Mwah!